Are you looking for the very best at-home business ideas for women? Well, you've come to the right place. In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you 6 at-home jobs that you can do. Let's go ahead and jump right in. There are so many ways to make money. There are so many ways to make money online. There are so many ways as a woman that you can make money doing what you love with the skills that you already have. I know that when I first started out in online business, I was just looking for a way to make money while I was a stay-at-home mom. And this is a challenge that not everybody can relate to, but maybe you do have kids, maybe you have your own personal goals, or you just want that freedom life. Whatever your why is, you being able to start a business that accommodates you and your lifestyle and the dream that you want to have is something that I want to help you with. If you haven't met me, my name's Abbey Ashley. I'm the CEO and founder of The Virtual Savvy. Here at The Virtual Savvy, we talk all the time on how to make money working from home. Most of our trainings have to do with virtual assistants because I love virtual assistants and I think it is the fastest and easiest way to make money online. But in this video, I want to share with you other ways that you can make money online as well, especially with some high-level skills that pay sometimes $50, $100 per hour or more. Now, I do want to note that the businesses I'm sharing in this video do take specialized skills, but you are a strong, smart woman, right? So even if you don't have these skills currently, it doesn't mean that you can't learn them. That's one of the things that I have learned by surrounding myself around ambitious women is that when we think of something, when we put our mind to something, we can accomplish it. And so I'm gonna share with you the types of high-paying jobs, the small business ideas that you as a woman can pursue and make a lot of money at. But no, if you are not knowing exactly how to go about starting these, we have an awesome resource for you as well. It's called the SavvyVault. Now, SavvyVault is our collection of tech and industry trainings that literally teach you the skills that people are willing to pay good money for. So if you haven't checked out SavvyVault, I highly recommend it. All of the businesses that I'm sharing with you here today, if you don't know the how to actually do that skill in order to do this for small business owners, we're going to teach you that inside of SavvyVault. Let's get on to those 6 small business ideas, particularly for women. Number 1 is a freelance writing business. If you have a love or a skill for writing, I would definitely look into becoming a freelance writer. Writing is a very highly valued skill, and one of the things that's incredible is that not everybody has this skill. Yes, there are tools out there. I know everyone's using ChatGPT to write right now. I even use it, but even ChatGPT cannot exactly capture somebody's voice the way a real human can. What I'm seeing a lot of freelance writers do now is use a tool like ChatGPT to actually write out an outline for a blog post or for a sales page, and then they come in with their own copywriting magic to make it beautiful. We don't need to be scared of tools like AI, but we can use them in order to further our business endeavors. Now, a copywriter can charge anywhere from $50 an hour on up, and you can do hourly rates, you can do package-based pricings where, okay, I'm going to write this ebook for you, I'll write this sales page for you and charge a certain rate for it. But this is an awesome small business idea for women that you may be great at. Small business idea number 2 would be starting a web design business. Now, this is the type of business that, yes, you need skill to do. You need some technical skill. You probably need to have a little bit of that graphic design eye at least. But if those are things that you already tend toward, or maybe you have experience with in a previous job or position, then I would look into being a web designer. And again, there are tools out there that make this really easy. One of my favorites is Squarespace. Squarespace is a beautiful web design tool that you can use. They have a drag and drop builder, and you can create amazing websites, professional websites for individuals, and the learning curve on your end is very small. So I recommend checking out our Squarespace tutorial inside of SavvyVault if that's something that you're interested in pursuing. I've seen people charge $100, $200, $500 per websites, all the way to $5,000 or $10,000 for a website as well. So the sky really is the limit to how much you can make by doing your own web design business. Small business idea number 3 that you may want to take advantage of would be a social media management business. All small business owners should be using social media for their businesses, but most small business owners don't know how to do it well. And so if you can simply learn how to do the major platforms, being Facebook, Instagram, depending on the business, maybe TikTok, Pinterest, YouTube, these basic social media channels, if you can learn how to maintain them and how to grow them, then small business owners will pay you a a good amount of money in order to do so. So I would recommend checking out those various courses again that we have inside of SavvyVault to learn these skills and see if it's something that you would enjoy doing. Business idea number 4, let's talk about Facebook ads. Being a Facebook ads manager has the potential to be incredibly lucrative. Now, I will do a fair warning with Facebook ads. It is a lot to learn. There's a lot of technicalities, but that increased experience can definitely increase your income if you learn how to do them well. I will also say that Facebook is always changing, and so you definitely want to stay on top of your training and continue to go on and on in receiving more and more advanced trainings as Facebook comes out with them. But with that said, if you learn how to run Facebook ads for small businesses, if you learn how to do the copy and the images and the back end of evaluating if this Facebook ad is effective or not, you can literally charge thousands and thousands of dollars per month for this specialized service. Facebook ads are great because there is a distinct ROI. This business owner knows pretty much directly if they are getting results, whether they are getting cheap leads, whether they are making sales and getting a good ROI. You can tell all of that from the metrics inside of your Facebook dashboard. So you're really able to prove to your clients that you are a good return on investment. Do any of these types of business sound interesting to you so far? Let me know in the comments below. Small business idea number 5 that you can do entirely at home would be to become a sales funnel builder. Now, what is a sales funnel? Essentially, when an online business owner is wanting to make a sale of their high dollar product or low dollar product, but generally a high dollar product, what they'll do is they'll create some kind of free offer, a free training, a free PDF, something free. They get those email leads, and then over time, they will nurture those leads. It might be through a free training, it might be through multiple videos, it might be through a series of emails, but the whole goal is to get people who really weren't interested, who weren't aware of their problem even, to be aware of the problem, to see that you are the solution, and to buy your product eventually. That funnel and the process of leading people down that funnel is an incredible thing that you can learn how to do. And if you do learn how to set up sales funnel, it's an incredibly lucrative online business. Again, I'm sharing with you today some of the most advanced type of small businesses that you can do. However, you don't have to be scared if you don't know how to do these already. We have courses for each one of these inside of SavvyVault. Lastly would be a branding expert or graphic designer. Maybe you're already a graphic designer or you are just an artist of sorts. Maybe see if you can take your skills digitally. A branding expert can look at somebody's current brand and revive it. You may be starting from scratch and creating the logo and just the brand idea for a brand new budding business. Whatever it may be, becoming a graphic designer or a brand expert can be incredibly lucrative. You can be charging hundreds of dollars for a logo, potentially thousands of dollars for an entire brand. And this is something that is always going to be needed because those of us who aren't brand experts definitely need your expertise. All right, let me know which one of these high-paying at-home jobs seems the best fit for you. Now, if all of these seemed way overwhelming, if it felt like, I don't know if I could learn any of these, I don't know if I have the technical skill, and even through taking an online course, I would really rather just start with something general, something that I already know, virtual assistants might be a really good fit for you. I did include it in the original list because I wanted to do the most high-paying, those $100 per hour jobs that you could potentially do, but a virtual assistant job is incredibly lucrative, and you can start with the skills that you already have. Things like customer service emails, data entry, email management, simple social media posting. These type of jobs you can do as a general VA, and you can make $30, even $40 an hour doing so. So if that's something you're interested in, I would recommend checking out my Become a Booked Out Virtual Assistant free training. You can check it out right here. I absolutely know you're gonna love it. All right, that's all I have for you today. I hope that you enjoyed this video. I'll see you in the next one.